Scientists have discovered that certain sacred places around the world are literally changing human DNA. Your genetic code rewrites itself in these locations. 1. Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Islam. The Kaaba contains meteorite material that alters human consciousness at the cellular level. During Hajj, pilgrims circle 7 times, creating a massive bioelectromagnetic field. Research by King Abdulaziz University shows pilgrims' stress hormones drop to near zero while immune systems become supercharged. The black stone resonates at 40 Hz, the exact frequency triggering DNA repair mechanism. Pilgrims show increased stem cell production for months after returning home. The 7 circles match the 7 chakras and DNA activation levels. The Kaaba's magnetic field is 100 times stronger than Earth's natural magnetism. 2. Lourdes, France. Christianity. Over 7,000 documented medical miracles have occurred here, baffling scientists for 150 years. Dr. Alexis Carrel's research found that pilgrims' cellular regeneration speeds up by 400% near the grotto. The water contains impossible mineral combinations that shouldn't exist in nature. University of Vienna studies revealed people who visit show genetic markers for enhanced healing abilities for 6 months. The BRCA1 gene becomes 60% less active. Brain scans show increased activity in areas associated with self-repair. The Catholic Church has been studying the Lourdes defect since 1958. 3. Varanasi, India. Hinduism. The Eternal City sits on electromagnetic fields that literally rewire your brain. NASA satellite data shows it emits frequencies matching human brainwaves during deep meditation. The Indian Institute of Science found people spending 30-plus days develop genetic resistance to aging. Their telomeres actually grow longer. Ganges water, despite pollution, contains bacteriophages, creating new neural pathways. Pilgrims show 300% increased BDNF production, the protein that grows new brain cells. Ancient Ghats are built on specific geological formations that amplify these effects. Local priests have passed down chants for 3,000 years, matching the exact frequency needed to activate dormant DNA sequences. 4. Bodh Gaya, India, Buddhism. Under the Bodhi tree, Buddha literally evolved. The tree sits on a natural pyramid formation concentrating Earth's magnetic field. Japanese researchers found meditation here activates the God gene, VMAT2, controlling spiritual experiences. The root system extends 108 feet in every direction, creating perfect sacred geometry matching human nervous systems. Extended meditation shows genetic markers for enhanced intuition and psychic abilities. The pineal gland becomes 400% more active. The specific fig tree variety exists nowhere else on Earth and contains compounds that cross the blood-brain barrier, literally rewiring consciousness. 5. Mount Kailash, Tibet. Mount Kailash, Tibet. June 8, 1999. It was in August, this month, the skit and the carpet. Collection. Mount Kailash, Tibet. This perfectly pyramid-shaped mountain, with mathematical precision, is actually an ancient structure covered by millennia of ice. Russian scientists discovered it's not a natural mountain at all. It sits at the exact center of the world's spiritual energy grid, equidistant from Stonehenge and Egyptian pyramids. Pilgrims completing the 32-mile Kora show immediate genetic changes. DNA begins expressing dormant sequences linked to longevity and enhanced consciousness. The mountain emits infrasound frequencies synchronizing with human brain waves. NASA thermal imaging shows it maintains consistent temperature regardless of seasons, suggesting an internal energy source that defies physics. 6. Jerusalem, Israel. The Temple Mount sits on the world's most powerful energy vortex, claimed by 3 religions for good reason. The foundation stone beneath the dome of the rock contains crystalline structures generating piezoelectric fields. When millions pray here, their combined bioelectric energy creates a massive field measurable from space. Israeli scientists discovered people praying at the Western Wall show instant genetic changes in their limbic system, the brain's emotional center. The specific limestone contains trace minerals enhancing psychic abilities. Archaeological evidence suggests the site was chosen because ancient peoples could sense its power. Religious authorities from all three faiths have agreed to suppress the most shocking findings. 7. Golden Temple, Amritsar, Sikhism. The gold dome channels healing energy and creates a Faraday cage effect concentrating bioelectric fields. Sacred pool water contains impossible mineral combinations. Pilgrims show dramatic genetic changes within hours. The architecture matches the golden ratio found in human DNA. Continuous recitation creates sound frequencies activating dormant genetic sequences. 8. Palitana, India, Jainism. 863 temples create the world's largest sacred geometry grid. Climbing 3,750 steps shows immediate genetic expression changes. The principle of ahimsa creates a unique biofield promoting cellular regeneration. DNA shows increased compassion genes and reduced aggression genes. Quartz deposits create natural piezoelectric fields synchronizing with brainwaves. 9. Stonehenge, U. This genetic activation device was built by advanced civilizations. Bluestones generate electromagnetic fields. During summer solstice, visitors show dramatic spikes in melatonin and serotonin. The arrangement creates standing waves matching meditation brainwave frequencies. People within the circle show genetic markers for enhanced intuition and psychic abilities. 10. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. The largest religious complex is actually a consciousness-altering machine. The layout mirrors constellation Draco. Natural springs create powerful electromagnetic fields. Visitors show immediate genetic changes in pineal gland function. The temple's proportions match the 26,000-year precession cycle. Sandstone blocks enhance spiritual sensitivity when touched. These aren't just tourist destinations, they're genetic upgrade stations, left by ancient civilizations who understood consciousness better than we do. The question is, why are governments and religious authorities trying to hide this information?